bro. Your kick, dude.
Big. Mini?
Yeah.
Maybe that's our neighbors.
That's official.
Oh.
Spider slaying down.
You too, because I haven't. Is there someone else at the wall?
I'm gonna leave this door open and leave some stuff in front of it. Yeah, there's a guy that's still alive. I killed one now. I think he's walled on the mini. Can you get out on the roof?
There's a dead body behind it.
Behind the wall?
Yeah,
I killed both.
I only see one body.
The other one's over here. Oh my god,
He bled out?
popped with wood and metal. You gotta come loot this.
Yeah, this guy bled out. I'll lose kit.
I got them both, dude.
This
Look
guy
at-
also
look
has
at all the
a
wood.
crazy amount of wood and metal.
Oh my god, full raid kit. Yeah, it's a full raid base. Wizard kit. This backpack.
Oh, dude, I have a full backpack full of metal frags.
Yeah, me too.
What? Where did these guys come from? Is there more to get?
Yes, a lot. There's a full backpack of just so much stuff.
Picked up the backpack. Oh my god. These guys are coming for us.
Yes.
We're getting offline
Yeah,
now.
they're coming back right now. I see him flying in. Three hits.
Did you get the rest? Yeah, he's